Imagine a world where the places we live shape the jobs we do, the places we visit, and the very fabric of our communities. Today, we're exploring the incredible diversity of jobs and industries across Ontario. From the bustling streets of big cities to the tranquil beauty of small towns, Ontario has it all. We'll uncover fascinating facts and statistics about the jobs people do and the industries that keep these communities thriving. Let's jump right in.
Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com.
Ontario's big cities like Toronto and Ottawa are bustling hubs of activity with a wide variety of jobs. Toronto, being the largest city in Ontario, is home to over 2.7 million people and offers a vast range of employment opportunities. Some key industries include finance and banking. Toronto is Canada's financial capital, hosting major banks and financial institutions. Did you know that the Toronto Stock Exchange is one of the largest in the world? Technology. With companies like Shopify and numerous tech startups, Toronto is a growing technology hub. Healthcare. Home to some of the country's largest hospitals and research institutions. Healthcare is a significant employer in the city. In Ottawa, the nation's capital, many people work in government and public service. As the center of Canadian government, Ottawa employs thousands in various government departments and agencies. Technology. Known as Silicon Valley North, Ottawa has a thriving tech industry with companies like Nokia and Shopify. Moving away from the big cities, Ontario's smaller towns and rural areas offer a different but equally important range of jobs. Let's explore some examples. Dryden. This town is known for its paper mill, which has been a key employer for many years. The forestry industry is vital here, providing jobs in logging, pulp, and paper production. Timmins. Famous for its mining industry. Timmins is rich in natural resources like gold and silver. Mining has been the backbone of this community for over a century. Leamington. Often called the tomato capital of Canada, Leamington is known for its agriculture, especially greenhouse farming. The town is home to one of the largest tomato processing plants in North America. Tourism is another major industry in Ontario, drawing visitors from around the world. Here are some key facts. Niagara Falls. One of the most famous natural attractions in the world, Niagara Falls attracts millions of visitors each year, creating numerous jobs in hospitality, tourism services, and retail. Algonquin Park. This vast provincial park offers outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and canoeing, supporting jobs in park management, guiding, and tourism services. Prince Edward County. Known for its wineries and beautiful landscapes, this area attracts tourists for wine tours, festivals, and beach vacations. Manufacturing. Ontario is Canada's manufacturing heartland. Cities like Oshawa are known for automobile manufacturing, with companies like General Motors providing many jobs. Education. With world-renowned universities like the University of Toronto and Western University in London, the education sector is a significant employer. Agriculture. Beyond Leamington, other areas like the Holland Marsh are famous for vegetable farming, contributing greatly to Ontario's agricultural output. Energy. The Bruce Nuclear Generating Station, located in Tiverton, is one of the largest nuclear power plants in the world, providing jobs in energy production and engineering. What we learned. Ontario is a province of incredible diversity, not just in its landscapes but in the jobs and industries that make it thrive. From the high-rise offices of Toronto to the fields of Leamington, every part of Ontario plays a vital role in the province's economy. Next time you think about what people do for work, remember the fascinating variety of jobs across this vast province.
Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with Super Simple Sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook for weekly free resources, and don't forget to like and subscribe.